Behalf of IAC SVC Chennai, we welcome you all for the orientation session on achieving problem solution fit and marketing fit. Okay. I welcome you, Professor, to deliver a lecture on this topic. Please,
Okay, thank you, sir.
over to you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I would like to first thank for Nadrajan sir to giving this opportunity to deliver a talk on achieving problem solution fit and product market fit. Um, wait just a minute. Shall I share the screen, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. First, I will uh, problem solution fit. Second one, the third one, how to measure the problem solution fit, and at last, I will give some introduction about product market fit. Okay. So what is meant by problem solution fit? So in business strategy, what is meant by problem? Here the problem means, is it a mathematical problem? Here the problem means what? Here the problem and solution. Problem means the customer's need or customer's requirement. Here the solution, what it means, a, a product or a services that the customer required. Okay, so here the problem solution fit means you have to identify the problem and you have to find the solution that addresses the customers. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So first, I am going to define that's what is meant by a startup. Okay, because the problem solution fit is the first stage of what every startup, and the final stage is what the product market fit. So in the first part, that is in the formation part. Second one is validation, and the third part is the growth or scaling. Okay, so what is meant by a startup? A startup is a company or project that undertaken by an entrepreneur to seek, develop, and validate a scalable business model. Okay. So the first part of startup, the every early stage of the startup is nothing but what problem solution fit. Okay. So what is meant by problem solution fit? First, you have to identify the problem of your customer. The solution that you provides actually addresses the customer need or customer requirement in a unique way. That we call it as what problem solution fit. um, Here the solution means what it refers either product or services. Okay, here the problem means either the customer need or customer requirement or the customer pains. The problem solution fit is the stage at which the startup business model has a core group of happy and referenceable customers. See, a problem solution fit something for only a small set of peoples, but the product market fit for what large set of peoples. So these two are not one and the same. So achieving the problem solution fit is easy, but achieving the product market fits is not that much easy. Okay, how to get the problem solution fit? Before getting into the problem solution fit, uh, these are the questions that we need to look into. First one, whether the problem is worth solving. The second one is the problem is the real one. The third one is there are there the potential customers for this problem? And the fourth one is the real customers would pay for the solution or not. And the fifth one is what are the possible solutions to that problem. And the sixth one is could a new product solve this problem or the existing one solve it already. So these are the questions that we have to try to answer ourselves. Okay. Now this problem solution fit can be achieved by uh, using this diagrammatic representation with value proposition canvas. So here uh, the customer profile is something like what? Just a minute. Okay. Here the customer profile is something like our problem part, and the value map is something like our solution part. Okay. So the value proposition canvas actually describes the features of the possible solution in a structural and detailed way. Okay. So first we will define the customer profile. So what is meant by customer profile? The customer profile describes a specific customer segment in terms of jobs to be done. So what are the jobs to be done, and points of pain and the desired gains. Okay, so that is nothing but the customer profile. So here the customer jobs describes customers are trying to get done by their work. So உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன ஒர்க்ஸ் இது பண்ணணுன்றத இந்த பார்ட்ல we have to list out it. Okay. And the pain describes the bad outcomes or risk related to the customer's jobs. So what are the risks in that related to that job, and the bad outcomes that you have to list it here. And third one, gain. This describes outcome of the customers want to achieve. So what they want to achieve. Okay, so that you have to list out here. So this is something like what? Problem part. Problem segment. Okay, so the customer profile comes under what? Problem segment. Now the corresponding value map. Value map describes the specific offering. What are the specific features that you offer for what? Your services, and the pain relievers and the gain creators. Okay, so here first you have to list out all the product features and services here. Okay, first you have to list out all the product services and the product features and services here. What are the possible features, the product features and services that you have to list out here. And second one, the pain relievers. Pain relievers describes how your product and services relieve your customer's pain. That you have to list out here. And third one, the gain creator. It describes how your product and service creator, how your product and services create gains. That you have to list out here. Okay. Now the if you want to achieve the problem solution fit means you have to fit this value map. That is, we have to align that value map with what? The customer profile. That is when your product and services produces pain relievers and gain creators. So whatever the services that you provided relieves the pain of the customers and create the gain of the customers. If you match it, that then you will achieve what? That problem solution fit. Okay. Now the reaching a problem solution fit is an essential for every startup because it shows us that our product has a potential scaling and get into a product market fit. And both are, that is getting a problem solution fit and getting a market fit are not one and the same. They are two different things. Reaching a problem solution fit is the first step for every startup That is towards success. Next one, just I will give some introduction about the product market fit, and then um, I will give the how to measure the problem solution fit. Okay, here the product market fit. Product market fit means when an entrepreneur identifies the needs in the market that gives the solution that the customers want to buy. That is nothing but what? Product market fit. This is for a large set of people, not for a small set of people. So this product market fit is characterized by high level satisfaction by large set of customers. Okay, and high retention rate and low churn rate. High retention rate, that is a retention rate means the percentage of users who continue using their what product or services. That is nothing but the retention rate, and the churn rate is nothing but a percentage of customers unsubscribe your what services or something. Suppose if in the company a percentage of employees leaves the job, that is nothing but what low churn rate. Okay, so for a product market fit, it should be high retention rate and a low churn rate, and the revenue growth, high product usage interval. So when you find the product market fit, you are growing, and you are the loyal to your customers who enjoy your product and services. So when you reach your solution fit, you just got out to building your minimum viable product, and you have a few customers that you have found solution for their problems. So I think those two concepts, that is problem solution fit and product market fit, are not one and the same. Those two are the two different concepts. Most of the companies reach problem solution fit, but not all of them reach product market fit due to that upgradation. That is what you have to stick on to the what the initial level. அதிலேயே இருக்கும். Okay, next one, how to measure the problem solution fit. To measure problem solution fit, we need to conduct what problem solution interviews. That is, you have to approach the customers, and you can get the feedback about your product. um, you have to ask the very tough questions, then only you will get what a better feedback. So these are the some questions, that is uh, what do you think about your product? Would you say that the product helps you with your problem? And would you think, what about the price of the product? How often do you use it? And what prevents you from using it more? Like that, you have to what list out the some questions and get the feedback. What would you make you to tell your friends about it? Like that. So after getting all the feedback that you can later use to refine your strategy. Okay. So after getting that feedback, either you have to pivot or persevere. What is meant by pivot? After getting feedback from your customers, okay, either you pivot or persevere. Persevere means you are on the right path. That is, your customers are happy about your product and are willing to stick within. But pivot means the feedback that you collected from your early adopter is either unsatisfied with your product, but they want to keep using because because it solves their problem. This is one category. Second category, uninterested about your product since they have the another needs to cover. Okay, so these are the two category. In the first case, you need to work with your futures and product experience. That is enough. No need to change the entire strategy. But in second case, uninterested about your product means you have to change the entire strategy of the product. In the second case, you need to change the what entire strategy of your this one. Okay. Just a minute.
Uh,
Sir,
am am I audible, Professor?
yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. சார் எனி எதனா நீங்கள் சொல்கிறீங்களா? ஹலோ நட்ராஜ் சார். நட்ராஜ் சார்.
Yes, sir. I'm audible, sir.
எஸ் எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Just a minute. Yes, sir. Can you share that screen, sir?
எஸ்
Can
சார்.
you? Yes, please, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can you take that screenshot, sir? Please, sir, if possible.
ஓகே சார், we will try.
Yes, sir. So, dear students, dear faculty members, thank you for your attending this orientation session on problem solution fit. Okay, and we discussed various cases, and we will share the all the PPT related to this in your among your department IAC coordinators. And my humble request to all of you, we have various events and schemes related to that IIC. In this occasion, I am going to share that Smart in the Hackathon, a few minutes. So the Smart in the Hackathon is going on there. So in this, that is the 14 statements, problem statements are issued in that. That out of this 410 problem statement, nearly 210 problem statements are related to our the central government companies. That is also Navaratna companies. So in this, I humble request, I request to participate in that one. So especially you are participating in that, you are aware of that one. The what are the problems? That all the problems are unsolved by that companies. Okay, and moreover, once you are attending this one, you are able to aware of that what are the present scenario of the that problem is going on in the industry side. The first thing. Another thing, if you are no need to bother about the whether you are going to run this event or whatever may be, just this even if you have participation and you are given a solution which leads to the what the job preference also to the Navaratna companies, because nearly 210 problem statements are issued in the Smart in the Hackathon. Nearly 410. I'm reading about the smart about the software software hackathon only I'm discussing. So those who are interested, you please participate. You form a team, and you have discussed with you discuss identify the guide, and also one girl student is very important as per the norms. So you form a team, and you can approach the concerned guide as well as to find out a suitable person for the circuit benches also, and participate in a spontaneous hackathon, which will be very, very useful to your career. Okay, so this message I want to give. That's why I asked you some time from the Saravanan sir. So please be actively participate in that Smart in the Hackathon. and that also leads to the our institute IIC star rating. Okay. Thank you, Professor. Thank you, given the session. Thank you, handle the session on this related to the problem solution and the market fit. Behalf of IIC SPC Chennai, we thank you, sir, for your delivering the lecture on this topic. And also, I thank all the students, participants, and faculty members, especially that is out of the college hours. So, uh, especially this week, we have continuous sessions up to 28. Thank you for your kind cooperation in this regard. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you, dear students. You may leave, please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prithviraj, Lavan, Hari Ashwin. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. Thank you all. Thank you, students. Even out of college hours, you joined. Thank you. Thank you.
In address, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Please stop recording.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.